Welcome back to the channel, your premier destination for workspace productivity tech, laptop dock reviews, office setup breakdowns, and enterprise hardware teardowns. Today, we are putting a multi-display connectivity hub under the spotlight, a high-performance USB-C docking station engineered specifically for remote workers, office managers, power users, and IT departments who demand single-cable laptop charging, high-speed networking, and multi-monitor productivity. The Dell Pro Laptop Docking Station WD25. Managing multiple cables every time you sit down at your desk creates daily clutter and slows down your workflow. The Dell Pro WD25 solves this hassle directly by converting a single USB-C port on your laptop into an all-in-one workstation hub. Operating on universal USB-C standards, it seamlessly interfaces with modern Dell laptops, Windows notebooks, and macOS devices without complex driver installations. At the heart of the WD25's power delivery is its robust 100-watt pass-through charging engine. By piping up to 100 watts of clean power directly through the primary USB-C cable, it keeps resource-intensive business laptops fully charged during heavy multitasking sessions without needing to unpack your laptop's original travel charger. For users who require massive screen real estate, the video subsystem supports quad display output through built-in DisplayPort and HDMI interfaces. Whether you are running complex spreadsheets across 4 high-resolution monitors or managing video conferences alongside code editors, the WD25 delivers crisp image clarity with steady refresh rates. Port layout is engineered for clean desktop cable management. The rear panel houses high-speed USB-A and USB-C data ports for external hard drives, keyboards, and mice, alongside an integrated Gigabit Ethernet port for ultra-reliable, wired internet connections during critical video calls. Front-facing access ports make plugging in flash drives and mobile charging cables quick and intuitive. Featuring a sleek, low-profile chassis designed to sit neatly under a monitor stand or behind a laptop, the Dell Pro WD25 combines enterprise-grade reliability with plug-and-play simplicity. If you enjoyed this universal USB-C docking station breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. How many external monitors are you connecting to your Dell WD25 dock?